Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will be replacing my fill valve of my Jacuzzi brand one-piece toilet. I like the one-piece toilets better than having a separate tank and bowl. It seems to lessen the issue of leaks, or it has for me. This toilet is approximately 3.5 years old. It is located in our first floor powder room, so it gets the most use in the whole house. I don't know why the part went bad, or even how a part like this can go bad, but I have to fix it anyway. So if you'd like to follow along with me, come along and let's see how it gets done. Okay, here are a list of things you're going to need. You need your fill valve, you need some type of a water catcher, a pair of channel locks to help get the water line off, got some pliers just in case, a couple of sponges so we can drain the water the tank, a towel to put under everything, and a bucket to squeeze the water out of once we take it out of the toilet. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, we're in the bathroom. Here's a vanity I built a few years back. All right, here's the toilet. It is one piece, so the first thing we're going to want to do is shut off the water valve, which is right here. So let me do that. I have the quarter turn, so just a quarter turn down. Then I'm going to take my goodies. That's not going to work. It's too tall. Let's put the towel under here. Got to protect the wood floors. Next thing we're going to do is flush the toilet, of course. After flushing the toilet, I want to remove the tank top. And notice that there's quite a bit of water still in there. So I try to flush again. And one more time just for the hell of it. Okay, so that's about it. So now it's time to scoop out that water with some sponges. This is the part that we're going to be replacing. So let's get that water out of there. All right, we got as much water out as we can, as you can see. So now it's just about disconnecting the water line and removing this piece. So to disconnect the water line, that's just simple, right? It's just right here. So I got my towel here. This is just gonna hand loosen this. I am gonna bring back my water catcher because I can angle the hose and drain, or not, what's left of the water in here, or it'll just drain by itself. Alright, not really sure what's next, probably just pull up, but I think I gotta pull out this hose, very good, that goes into there, and look at that, just lift it out. It's pretty simple. Take off the hose holder. We already got one on the other water supply hose. Now we're going to unscrew this. I don't remember a flat washer coming off of the other one underneath. It was just this nut. But we will take that flat washer and then we're just going to install this. No instructions came with this piece, so that's why I'm just winging it. And of course, it looks like the hose is not going to be long enough. So I'm wondering if I can take the old hose off and put it on here. Let's check. Okay, after farting around with this for a while, there's a lock pin that goes in here. I pulled that out. This is adjustable. So this tab here has something to do with it. So I open that tab and I'm trying to reach the right height. Make this the same height as the last one. To make it the same height as the last one, I'm just setting it next to the last one. And I'm just gonna, technical term, fart around with it. I could count, the number 1, 2, 3. It seems about the same height. So I'm going to lock this back in here. Although this is a pretty easy task. So there we go, locked in. Seems to be the same height. I'm going to put this back on, which I took off. Okay, as is always the case, there's a notch. It has to go in the notch. That's on. Time to put the new gasket on there. Looks to be about the same height. Now I'm just going to see if I can swap out these hoses. Because this one's too short. This one is longer. Longer's better. That's what I hear. That goes on there. That didn't seem too difficult. Let's head to the tank. Okay, back at the tank. This just goes down in here. So, and this fill valve hose is going to be pushed into that little area, like that. And all I have to do now is put the screw on the bottom of this, which is right here with this flat washer. Okay, hook back up the water line quick. Let's fill it with water. Okay, well, it filled up and stopped. See the level in here. I don't know if that's the correct level, but let's flush the toilet and see how it goes. And just like that, bing, bang, boom, you are done. You are now a toilet fixing superhero in your own home. If you liked the video and it was helpful, please click the thumbs up, ring the bell for notifications for more videos, and of course, please subscribe. Thanks a lot.